Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove app in Shopify. So just simply now if you want to remove the application, just click on apps, and now here like I want to remove this app, so just select the app because I already installed this app. So in order to remove the app you have to install it. So now here you can see we have opened this app. So now I want to remove it. Just click here and go to settings. So now here you can see the delete app option is available. So now if you want to completely remove app from your store, so just you have to click on delete app, and after that your app will be removed. So in this way you can easily remove app in Shopify